Welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. Our page provides clear English grammar lessons for students and teachers. Today we are learning about the predicate. The predicate is the part of a sentence that tells us what the subject does or what happens. The predicate gives us information about the subject. It usually includes the verb and the rest of the sentence. Let's look at some examples. The bird sings. The subject is the bird. What does the bird do? It sings, so sings is the predicate. Ella laughed. The subject is Ella. What did Ella do? She laughed, so laughed is the predicate. The man walked. The subject is the man. What did the man do? He walked, so walked is the predicate. The predicate tells us what the subject does or what happens. It helps complete the sentence. Most sentences have a subject and a predicate. When you read a sentence, try asking, what does the subject do? Or, what happens in the sentence? The answer will be the predicate. This is another clear, practical lesson from Nothing Fancy Literacy. Follow us on YouTube for more content like this. Now it's your turn. Can you underline the subject and the verb in these sentences?